Before you can use the Occupant portal, you must register to set up your account. You only need to do this once. Using your property address and your email address, complete the registration process. A member of our team will use this to confirm your identity and activate your account. It is important that you tick the GDPR box, otherwise your registration process will fail. Please allow up to 1 full working day for your registration to be processed. Once you have registered, you can log in. If there are any pre-existing problems, you will be able to see them. Reporting a new problem is easy. Follow the request for information. Please provide helpful detail, but keep your explanation to the point. You can attach photographs and/or video, if this helps explain the problem. We need to know when you will not be available, so please provide us with any times or days that will not be convenient. This way the contractor won't offer us something that doesn't work for you. It is quite likely we may contact you if we need to clarify a point or require further detail. We will email you with details of appointments and updates, so keep an eye open. The only time you should not use the portal is when you are reporting an emergency. If you feel that your problem is an emergency, then you should contact the team on the telephone number you were given when you moved in. We hope that you have found this short instructional video helpful.